Hi friends, it's XO Michaela here, back with another video.
And another woman that could take your spotlight.
Today we're doing another try on haul. It is Fashion Nova, and I know I've been shopping at Fashion Nova way too much, but I really don't know where else I should shop from. So if you guys have any suggestions, make sure to leave them below in the comments. So I got a few fall items, a few jackets, some shoes. Everything was buy one get one off, so I got two of everything. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, be sure to like and subscribe and come back for more. I got these shoes. Like I said, everything was buy one get one. So I got two of everything, and I noticed the new trend that's coming for like fall 2022 is loafers. I'm so excited about these shoes. I saw these like almost a month ago. Look at them. I wanted these so bad. I know this style isn't for everybody, but it's for me. And I'll show you guys like some of my inspiration, but I wanted these shoes so bad and they did not disappoint. I hope they fit. But as you can see, these are just like a really huge platform loafer heel style. I think they're like a dupe. I think it's Versace that I saw made the original one, but of course I'm not buying those, so I had to get these, and these are so beautiful. They're exactly what I wanted, and I'm really happy with these. I gotta try these on now to see if they fit. Oh, they fit. Okay, these are so you guys see how tall it makes me? Oh, let me not break my stuff, but look at the height difference. That is crazy. So I'm going to be wearing these with a pleated skirt. That's my that's the outfit I had in my head. So I love these so much. These get a 10 out of 10. I didn't even open the other one up, but I already know I love these. Like, I'm so happy I got these. I know they're a little weird, but I'll definitely show you guys how I style these in another video. So be sure to check that out. But these get a 10 for sure. I was so excited about those other shoes, and I know this is kind of dumb, because these shoes kind of look the same, but I couldn't, like, I literally had these in my cart for weeks because I couldn't decide which one to get. So I got both, and I'm happy about that. So here's the other ones. I actually don't like these as much, but what I liked about them was the heel and that they were patent leather. So let's see if these fit as well. I just couldn't decide which ones to get, and now that I see them in person, I do like the other ones better. So I am glad I got both of them because I was leaning more towards this, but this is beautiful as well. Like, just I'm overly excited about these. Let me try this one on. Oh, there's still more stuff in it. And I forget which celebrity I saw wearing these that made me want them, but I saw it on TikTok. I think it was Dream Doll. Okay, so let's try these on. I do have socks on, but these aren't nearly as comfortable. It's not the same effect. I wish I opened these first. I do like them. These make me really tall as well. But let me see. Sorry, I'm like falling over. But these give me witch vibes. I'm still gonna wear both of these a lot. These ones aren't as comfortable. I'm guessing because it's a different material, but I love these as well. These get a 10 out of 10. They definitely look how I expected, and I love them. I just love those other ones way more. So if you're trying to figure out which ones to get, definitely get the other ones. They look more like the dupe anyway. So yeah, these still get a 10 though. Okay, so everything I got, like I said, was for fall. So I got this vest. I've been wanting one of these for the longest time. I actually really wanted one last year and I just never got it. But so it's like brown corduroy material, and then the inside has this, what is this, like Sherpa? I don't know what this is called, but you know, the cream interior, furry. This is really warm and it feels like really sturdy, and I got this in a medium. So let's see. So the reason I never get these vests is because I don't like this neck part. Like, it's not good for my hair. But this does fit well. This is really cozy. It has pockets, those work. So I do like this so far. I'll have to look in the mirror and see. So this gives a 10. It's really cute. The thing I hate about these vests is I feel like I got a neck brace on and I can't like wear earrings. Like, do the earrings go inside the jacket or outside? I don't know, but this is really nice and I love this. So like I said, everything was buy one get one. So I got that outfit in brown and green. I was telling myself I wanted to get like the green dunks. I forget what they're called, but even though I'm probably not gonna get those, so but in my mind I wanted to wear this with those. So if you have those, you should buy this. And this just fits the same. I'm glad I got these both in mediums, but it's really comfortable. It's really cozy for fall, so I love these. They both get a 10. And I love the insides and the pockets. So now I need some long sleeve shirts to go with this. But yeah, these are wonderful. And then I just got a normal black one. This is actually the only one I meant to get. Then I saw those other two while I was looking for this. And I had to get them. But there's been this cute outfit on my Pinterest board for like ever that has this vest. So I literally just bought this to recreate that. And I'll show you guys. But yeah, this is nice. This fits well. It's that, I don't know what this material is, but it's just all black. Like that jackety material. And I love this. But the other thing about these colors is like, if I wear lipstick, at some point it's going to touch my lips. And I get lipstick on it. So be aware of that. But yeah, I love the vest vibe for the fall. So this also gets a 10. This already looks disappointing, I'm not gonna lie. It's this Letterman jacket, but why is this a crop top? Like, I didn't think this was a crop top. But it has the leather sleeves and like the white and black stripes. I got this in a medium, then it has the silver buttons. This feels so much cheaper than it looked. I have to look at the picture because I don't remember this being cropped. If I knew it was crop, I wouldn't have got it. And this doesn't feel warm either. So this is kind of disappointing. I never did a FashionNova return, but I kind of want to return this and the shoes, not gonna lie. That second pair of shoes. But I mean, this is cool. I think this was $40. It's not worth $40. This is like a $30 thing. And there's no pockets. Like, I want this to be a real jacket. Like, look at me. This is like... I didn't know it was a crop top, but if it wasn't, I would have loved this because I like the sleeves and it is pretty warm. But it's a crop top. I'm still gonna wear it though, because I probably can't sell this for what I paid for it. I think it was $40. Nobody's gonna buy this for $40. It's worth $25 to $35, like. But it's cool, so I give this an 8, and it's still a cute fall vibe. So I'm just so over crop tops. Like, is the crop top trend ever gonna stop? Like, yeah, I still like crop tops, but do we have to make everything crop top? Why is this a crop top jacket? Why is crop top jackets a thing? I don't know, but I mean, this is cool. So that's all my outfits. I hope you guys like those. Overall, I'm pretty happy with all my purchases. I'll try to link everything down below. This time I tried to make the video sooner than later so that I can give you guys the links and it's not sold out. So that concludes this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to comment and subscribe and come back for more. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.